Welcome back to my channel. It is the end of 2020, or it probably is already 2021. It's time to go 2020. Bye! If it's 2021, Happy New Year! We are going to start this video, but before we do, I just want to mention that I broke my nail and I fixed my nails, my own nails. Anyways, guys, for today's video, we will be unboxing December's BoxyCharm. Yay! I finally got my BoxyCharm the last week of December, but it came, it's here. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for sending it to me again. Alright, let's just jump in. This month's theme for BoxyCharm was bubbles and glitz. It's so cute, so pretty, very New Year's. The first item in this box is... I actually didn't mind whichever item I was going to receive. I think it was between the Huda Beauty palettes and this beautiful Caliente palette right here. I think this is my second palette that is named Caliente, but this is actually spelled correctly. So Caliente with a C, but this is by the brand Artist Couture. If you don't know Artist Couture, it's founded by my daddy, which he has amazing highlighters that I've been dying to try out. But this cute palette is amazing. I love it. I love the cute compact packaging. And it's a magnetic palette, so when you open it up, you have this cute mirror in here, and you can see the magnets right there. I love the mirror. The mirror is actually very useful. It fits both eyes in here. The color scheme of the palette is very, very beautiful. I love it. It's very neon. Again, like in my previous video, I unboxed Try Beauties, and we also got a neon palette. So I'm not mad about the neon palette because you just have to, you know, get out of your comfort zone and try new colors, new things. I love all the shades. They're very, very pigmented. When I swatched them, some colors felt a little bit chalky, like not so buttery, or maybe they were, it's just my fingers. No, yeah, this color right here, which is called Fuego, like it feels a little bit rough, but it's super, super, super pigmented. The pigmentation on these guys are crazy. Crazy. This has 8 beautiful eyeshadows inside, and obviously on the back of the palette you have the names. Love the names. So you have Cultura, Fuego, Vibras, Mangorita, Rumba, Brillo, Mamacita, y Sensual. They're all Spanish names. I don't know what Mangorita means, but I love the palette. This palette retails for $30. Next, we have an Ofra Cosmetics item. I have been dying to try Ofra Cosmetics for like the longest time. I'm super excited. I saw this in the pictures as well, and I wanted this because I ran out of my banana shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit palette, and I've not purchased it. I don't know why. I've just kept using my Laura Mercier. But ever since I get my allergy on my under eye, it's just been very difficult to use the Laura Mercier powder because it does dry me out so much. I mean, it already is dry. Normally, my allergy comes out on this side of the eye, but this year, it decided to switch on my good side of my face. I don't know if you guys can see, what, that crease right there, that crease, you don't see it on the other eye. That is part of the allergy, and it's kind of hard to cover it up with the powder. Okay, so this is the Banana Brightening and Setting Powder by Ofra Cosmetics. It's an adorable, cute packaging. It's so pretty. It's just pure white, very simple, elegant. It's completely matte, and it has their logo on top. And when you open it up, you have a dirty mirror. You have a nice, good, compact size mirror, which I love because you can use it to touch up if you're taking this banana powder with you. I love how big this pan is. It's the perfect size. The whole case is just adorable. I love the banana shade. When I applied it, it looks really nice. It doesn't look like it's gonna flash back. I haven't taken pictures, but I will leave in the comments down below if it does flash back or not. But so far, I do love it. It's just sad that my under eye right now has that allergy, so it's kind of reacting, both of them. But this side is just reacting more. But I do love it. I see myself using this. I can't wait for my allergy reaction to stop so I can enjoy my powder. This has a scent, and it smells so good. It smells like I can't stop smelling it, and I don't know what it is. It almost smells like it has a bit of a banana hint, like a sweet, subtle smell of banana. It smells really good. And you can also use it as a matte eyeshadow. So this little guy retails for $35. Next, we have a product by Elemis. I did, however, heard of it before. I just haven't owned a product by them. This is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. It's a kombucha glow moisturizer. So technically, it's gonna make you glow, your skin glow. If you don't want to wear makeup, you just want to have that glow, because sometimes I feel like I wake up and I look dull. Wash your face, do your skincare, and then finish with this. Guys, it leaves your face so pretty on its own without makeup. It does say here it's for all skin types. It also brightens, nourishes, and hydrates your face at the same time. I found it funny because on the back of the box it does say apply every morning to cleanse skin. If contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly. And in capital letters it says do not eat. Who ate this? So let's just take it out of the box because you guys have to see the cute packaging. Look at it. It's like a pretty nude pink with like a glow to it. I don't know if you guys see the glow on that bottle. It's so beautiful. I love it. I'm actually scared of drinking kombucha because I've heard reviews where when they drink kombucha, it makes them break out like crazy. So I don't drink kombucha, but it comes in the moisturizer, so we're gonna test that out. Hopefully I don't break out. It's a squeezy bottle. You just squeeze the product out. It's pearlescent. When you rub it on your skin, it looks like a natural glow. Not oily, a natural glow. It's so beautiful and it smells so good. Oh my god, I don't know how to describe it. It smells like something I've smelled before. I'm so bad at describing scents, but it smells good. Trust me. It doesn't smell strong. It has a subtle scent, but it smells good. It's perfect for underneath your makeup or on days you don't want to wear makeup. It's just perfect. This little guy retails for $49. Next, we have an item by the brand Viseart, Professional Makeup Pairs. This is the Seamless Eye Primer. It's very cute. Here we go. This is the primer. It comes in a little squeezable tube. This is a primer like no other primer. I've never tried a primer that is transparent and feels as soft as this one. I didn't think it was going to stick, but oh my god, was I wrong. I even did the test for you guys on my close-ups. How pigmented this can make an eyeshadow that isn't pigmented at all. It does say that it ensures crease-free and vibrant wear, which is what I'm wearing on my eyelids and all over my eye. I didn't want to add pigmentation to the eyeshadows because I know those eyeshadows were pigmented, but I still wanted that sticky base for my rose gold moment there. It has not creased and I like it. This little guy retails for $24. And the last item in the box, another one of my favorite brands, is Luxie. We got brushes. I could not be happier. This is the Eyeconic set. We get 5 beautiful brushes, full size, as you guys can see. I love that the handle is pink. The metal here is rose gold. They're just phenomenal. They're very soft. They do the job. You can do a whole eye look with these brushes. This is what I used for my eye makeup and oh my god, I love them. I'm so happy that I have more Luxie brushes. So let's start with this one. This is the Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. It's so beautiful. I love it. I'm so happy I didn't have this brush at all. Next, we have the Luxie 209 large shader brush, which is this one right here. It's so beautiful. I love it. Next, we have the Luxie 221 flat definer. It's nice and firm, but still soft, which I freaking love this. I always use my E15 because I think that's the only flat definer brush that I have. Now I have a new one. The next brush is the Luxie 217 pencil brush. Another pencil brush. You can never have enough pencil brushes. And the last brush is the Luxie 243 small shader brush. Again, soft but still kind of firm. I love these kind of brushes, especially to cut the crease. Again, you can never have enough of these kinds of brushes. I don't know if you guys can pick it up in the camera, but they have a beautiful, beautiful shimmer on the handles. It's not a matte pink, it's glossy, but you also see the shimmers on the handles shadows and I love it. This is a bold look, so you can definitely achieve a softer, non-glam look. This set retails for $45. And that was everything that we got in this box. My favorite item this month has got to be all the items. I can't pick one. I just can't. I really love the Caliente palette. I love the banana powder. I freaking need it and I do like it. The brushes are my favorite brushes. The Elemis Glow Priming Moisturizer is another one of my favorites. And also the Viseart. I did not expect a primer to be that smooth and still get the eyeshadow to stick on you. That's like magic right there. I love this entire box. It's just amazing. The total value of these 5 items is $183. But if you're subscribed to BoxyCharm, you get all of this, all these 5 items that I showed you for $25. Alright guys, so that completes this part of the video. I hope you guys like these items that I unboxed this month. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs this video up. Comment down below your favorite item this month. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And just keep on watching for the makeup tutorial using nothing but the BoxyCharm. I'll see you guys till my next video. Bye!